so this is 7.3, and this is calculations using molar mass. For 7.22, they want us to calculate the number of moles in each of the following: 308 grams of BaSO4. So first, we're going to start off by finding the molar mass of BaSO4. So we're going to do Ba first. So it's going to be 1 mole of Ba, because Ba doesn't have a number next to it, so it's going to be just 1 mole. And then we're going to multiply that by the how many grams it has in it. So it has 137.3 grams of Ba, and that's going to be over 1 mole of Ba. And then it would just equal 137.3 grams of Ba, because this cancels out and you're just left with this. Next is sulfur. Sulfur also doesn't have a number next to it, so it's going to be just 1 mole of S. Multiply that by how many grams are in it, and it has, in sulfur, it has 32.07 grams. And then you would put 1 mole of sulfur, and then it would equal 32.07 grams of sulfur, because this cancels out again. Oxygen is where you have to do the real work, because it has a number next to it. It's going to be 4 moles of oxygen, and then you would multiply it by 16.00, because that's how many grams are in oxygen, and then 1 mole of oxygen. You can find this number by looking at the periodic table. Like, if you look up oxygen on the periodic table, it'll, like, this number will be just like right under it, and then you would get 64. And then when you add, you have to add these 3 numbers, and when you do, you get 233.37 grams. Okay, so now you're going to take this, you're going to take this 233.37 grams, and you're going to, let's go here. You're going to do, where's the problem? Okay. You're going to take this number right here. You're going to do 308 grams of BaSO4, and you're going to multiply. Multiply this by the molar mass. Divide. You're going to do 1 mole, because 1 mole of BaSO4, because you want to get moles, calculate the number of moles. See, they want moles, so you're going to do that, and then you're going to divide it by the molar mass, and the molar mass is 233.37 grams of BaSO4. So the grams would cancel out, and you would do 308 divided by 233.37, and you get, ignore this part, you would get 100.32, because you round. If you didn't round, you would get 1.319, but because you round, you get this. Okay, and that's basically how you get the moles for that. And then now we're going to do another problem. It's the same thing, but like, we're just going to do another problem. Okay, so for this one, you have to find the molar mass of H2O. So let's just do this right here too. Okay, so oxygen, there's no number next to it. We'll start off with that because it's easier. So it would be 1 mole of O is equal to 16.00 and 0 grams. And then it would be 1 mole of O, and then you would just get 16.0 because this will cancel out. And then for H2 it would be 1 mole. Oh, sorry, 2 moles of H because there's a 2 next to the H. And then you would do 1.008 grams, and then it would be over 1 mole of H, and then you would multiply 2 by 1.008 and you get 2.016 grams, and then you would add the both of them and you get 18.016. Okay, so now you're going to take this molar mass, and this molar mass is in grams, by the way, and you're going to go back to this, and you're going to do, because they also want this in moles, so you're going to do 6.4 grams, and then wait, let's look at the no, this one. Yes, 18.016 grams over 1 mole of H2O. This is all H2O. So the grams are going to cancel out, and you're going to end up with 6.4 divided by 18.016, and you get 0.336 because before you simplify it, your answer is 355, so it becomes 0.36, and then this is mole of H2O. Okay, so this is just how you convert from grams to moles. And yeah, that's basically it for this one.